voiceover only for 11 Labs. Hey, so if you want to save time and automate daily work, yeah, Google Gemini can help you handle a lot of business tasks easily. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Gemini for business tasks in 2026. First thing, go to Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Start a new chat to begin. Next, use it to write emails. So you can ask Gemini to create professional emails for clients, follow-ups, or support. All right, generate reports. You can ask for summaries, business reports, or structured documents. Now use it for ideas. You can brainstorm marketing strategies, product ideas, or business plans. Next, create content. So Gemini can write social media posts, blog articles, or ad copy. All right, paste your data or feedback. Gemini can summarize insights and highlight key points. And yeah, use it daily. Automate repetitive tasks and focus on more important work. So that's how you use Google Gemini for business tasks. Once you use it regularly, it can seriously boost your productivity.